What's the deal, guys? Alright, so right now we're on the way to Cars and Coffee at the Malibu Country Mart. Right in Malibu, right on the ocean. Like, the best view ever. You get a view of the ocean, you get some food, and you get to look at cars. What could be better? So yeah, it's currently 9:25 in the morning. Getting there about at 9:48 so that we have a spot to park around all the cars, because if you don't get there early, Josh said, you ain't gonna get a spot to park. So we're on the way there now to get our parking spot, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get there and show you all the sweet cars that are gonna be there, because you know California, there's a lot of rich people and they all got them McLarens, the Porsches, the Lambos. So yeah, let's get into it. Look, and we still cruising with him. His license plate says, play hard. My license plate just came in the mail. So I get it when I go back to Detroit, whenever I decide to go. But my license plate, guys, is fire. So fire. You guys are about to go through the tunnel. You ready? I'm slowing down a little bit so I can get a little. Let me roll the window down. Ready? You ready for this? I'm dead. He did it too. That's lit. Look at it. Ooh! Another Hellcat. Oh, this is getting good. This is getting real good. Look at this. It's too rich. Riley, make it real. Baby gas in a red eye.
That guy shot it counting up the paper.
Demon time, rich shine.
She got no time for haters.
Said I be flexing, I be stepping in my Gucci shoes.
She pulling up with a skirt like what it do.
Hey, what it do, sis? Got a fast car, that's your new bitch. All these haters talking about me like I'm too rich. Got them looking on the gram like how she do it. How she do it. I do this shit like Cardi. If it's up, you best believe it's up. Got Gabby on the chain, you best believe could buy a Bentley truck. Ain't stopping when I see the cops, I'm running till the wheels fall off. Tell them catch me if you can, gotta run it up. Alright guys, so not this light, but the next light, we're gonna be there. And it's already getting crazy. Look who's behind me. Oh shit! Too lit. Looks like the cops already got somebody. Yeah, man. Oh, it's a regular car. We ain't tripping. It's none of our people. So I pulled in, guys. And look who pulled in next to me. No way his car looked like mine. He copying me, bro.
You got the blue and the gray. I got the black and the blue.
Nah, you came off. You trying to copy my shit. Look at this. Jeez. You ain't gonna come Ferrari, bro. I'm coming McLaren or Lamborghini. Oh, jeez, look at this old Rolls Royce, bro. Oh, cars be looking crazy. Look. Dang, that's so nice. Too rich for me. Look at this one, guys. This is fucking fire. There's so many oldies here. This is heat. Riley trying to make friends with the ops, bro. He a op. He a op.
They gonna let me speed
No,
everything.
no, that Josh be saying hi to every cop.
And then
He
what
be
they
like,
do, they let them speed. That's what I'm gonna start doing. Unless they give me attitude, I'm gonna be nice.
If a Michigan cop ever pulls me over again, especially a state cop, I'm gonna be like, so you let Josh Laurent off, but you don't let me off? That's fire. Look at this behind you.
She's so cold. She's so cold. She's so cold.
Look at this old Ford.
She's so cold. She's so cold. She's so cold. She's so cold.
This boy fine.
Break your heart and take your soul. She's so cold.
This goes crazy. Sheesh.
So bad she good.
Aw, these.
Cold like iced up again.
Sheesh.
Got 2 niggas paying her dead. 2 niggas she gon' be dead. Yeah, she know in the back.
But I'm coming next. I'm coming next.
Got the Lambo.
Sheesh. Look how low it is to the ground. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Why would they? Look at this, bro. Look at the air vents on this thing, bro. I'm coming Lambo next. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a cute green. Wow. GT4 Porsche. GT4 Porsche. Well, it don't like you.
You know, like when they came out with the Porsche pistachios, like who thought they would want a Porsche that reminds you of a pistachio? Like
You like
that ain't
pistachios?
fast, bro.
You like pistachios? That blue? Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Josh go.
I didn't even.
Josh go come for you.
It came up.
Damn. Imagine if some rock or something. You gotta be so careful that there's all glass on the back. Look at the inside. I wanna drive this boy. I'm renting one.
Like a fucking.
I'm gonna rent one to drive it before I actually get it. See if I like it. Like $1,000 for the day?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit! I didn't realize that.
Yeah, that boy nice. Corvette. Oh, Jaguar. Benz. Jeez, who got the Hellcat over there?
Crazy, man. Now he got the puppy in the car. Oh my god.
I'm trying to figure out whose Hellcat this is. This is the same color blue as mine without the wrap. No, this is way regular. I got Big Red Eye. You see? Got it on the chain. Big Red Eye. They know who Red Eye it is here. Oh, he just got this. He just got this. He said, I just got this bitch. Let me go show it off real quick.
You gonna tell me?
Look at that McLaren over there. Baddie. I spot a baddie. Ooh, shit. You want to spin out? You want to do donuts, what you're saying? To give them a show? You want me to? I'll do. You want me to risk my car and my freedom?
Yeah. Rather
Okay.
you than me.
When we pull, I'll do it. Look at this Cobra. Look at all the air vents on the hood.
Okay.
Yeah? You like that?
Yeah. We're not. No, don't put down the door.
So many sweet cars here, bro. I wish that was a red eye. I want to find another red eye out here to race. I need to race somebody. This is the one Josh got, I think. I think this is the one Josh got. This is fire. Look at how the doors go, bro. Dude, I'm about to come next week with a new McLaren.
We ain't gotta do nothing to my plan. Like, you just pull up, you get it off the lot, pull up, and
It already comes looking fire.
even as a pistol, because you didn't pull it.
You know, add-ons for McLarens range from like $1,000 to like $4,000.
Well, that's probably why.
Probably more too, but I've seen like $1,000 to $4,000 for add-on parts for these cars. Okay, lady driven. Okay. So everybody come McLarens out here and Lambos, I see. And Josh got one now, so I'm about to come McLaren.
Honestly, this fucking hard.
You know, Josh came red eye, and then I came red eye. Now he McLaren. I'm either gonna come McLaren or I'm coming Lambo, okay? But they from Texas. They're from Texas. Or they got this in Texas. Look at this back. Ooh wee. That's fire.
Only one of them upstairs works. But thank you. So yeah, so to for the
It's an old Shelby. It's an old Shelby. It's an old Shelby.
Oh, there are big cars up here.
Dang, that boy look crazy. Looks crazy.
Tell 'em catch me if you can, gotta run it up. You think you're gonna beat me in that Mustang? In Big Red Eye? Sheesh, your girlfriend could never. Weak ass.
But before I go back home, I need to get some gas. And so let's get some gas. So I just got gas, right? For 8 gallons, it's $54, bro. In Michigan, $54 would literally fill me up. It is currently in Malibu, $6.50 for some premium gas, bro. That's crazy. Hey guys, so I'm about to leave the car show. Say bye to Rosebud.
Bye-bye.
I'm leaving him behind. He can't come with Big Red Eye and me.
So I'm
He's
gonna
not.
leave this car show because I can't be here with Gabby no more because she's a female.
You see how you want to copy me, bro? I'm leaving. Bye, Riley. I'm going back to Detroit tomorrow. Bye, Riley. Fuck you. All right, guys. I'm leaving in Big Red Eye. I've been here for 2 hours. It's ending. I saw a whole bunch of sweet cars and I met some cool people, and I'm actually gonna collab with somebody on doing video and pictures, so that's exciting. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna start coming to more car shows like this and different meetups. We also found out about another car meet that happens. It's called the Cars and Coffee 2, but it happens downtown LA, and there's like one in Orange County. So even though we have the Malibu Cars and Coffee every Sunday, now we found out there's one at the end of the month. Every month there's a Cars and Coffee. Either in Orange County they do, or they do it downtown LA. I'm kind of iffy about the one downtown LA, but we gotta check everything out. So I just want to wear my jewelry and stuff. I like wearing my jewelry because I like shiny things, but shiny things get stolen. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'm not gonna drop another video after this one for about a week because I'm going back to Detroit and my car is gonna be here in Cali. So when I do get back, I'm coming more videos. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what else you guys want to see, if there's anything else you guys want to see, because I do this for you guys. So yeah, catch me later if you can, boy.